Hello beta, good morning. Now today discuss about operator in Java. Next topic is operator in Java. Okay, so in this chapter we will discuss about what is an operator and introduction about an operator and arithmetic expression and statements, forms of operator, types of operator, unary operator, binary operator, ternary operator and types of operator may against arithmetical, logical and relational operator, increment, decrement operator, postfix, prefix operator and new operator, and also dot operator and output statement which is used in a program, and last one is hierarchy of an operator, how to be access operator in a according to precedence. Okay, so this is a very important topic, operator in Java. Okay, so now first is introduction. What is an operator? What is an operator? So what is an operator? In a computer programming, you often need to perform some arithmetical and logical operations. In such circumstances, you need to operators to perform these tasks. Thus, an operator is basically a symbol or token. So, what is an operator? Operator is a basic symbol or token which perform arithmetical and logical operations. Okay. So, what is an operator? An operator is an basically symbol or a token which performs arithmetic or logical operation. Okay, तो ऑपरेटर क्या है? लाइक अ सिंबल लाइक प्लस माइनस इनटू डिवीजन. तो ऑपरेटर इज एन अ सिंबल टू परफॉर्म arithmetical and logical operation like a plus b. So this is an arithmetical expression. Logical operation a and b. So this is an operator. Okay guys, so what is an operator? An operator is a symbol or a token which perform arithmetical and logical operation and give meaningful result to an arithmetical expression or an arithmetical statement. So this is an operator. The value which are involved the operations term as operands, and these which value which is performed in operands, this is called operands. Okay, like in this statement, suppose p is equal to a into a, p is equal to a into a plus 2 into a into b. So here p a b is in a variable. What is it? Is in a variable, and it is also known as operands. It is also known as operands. 2 is a also operand which is a constant, and the symbol into plus into equal, this is called a operator. Okay, so what is an operator? An operator is a basically to symbol or token which performs arithmetical or logical operations to give a meaningful result. Okay beta, clear? What is an operator? An operator is a basically symbol or token which performs arithmetical or logical operations to give a meaningful result. Okay, now next one is what is an arithmetic operations? Arithmetic operations or arithmetic expressions. So what is arithmetic expression? Like you studied algebraic expression similar to the arithmetic operations. So what is arithmetic operations? And arithmetical operations contains variable, constant and arithmetical operator. वेरिएबल कॉन्स्टेंट्स को अगर किसी भी ऑपरेटर के साथ हम कंबाइन कर देते हैं, मीनिंगफुल रिजल्ट बन जाता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड अ अर्थमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन. लाइक x plus y is an arithmetic operation where x and y is a variable and plus is the operator. So two variable combined with a operator is called a arithmetical operation. One or more variable combined with operator is called a arithmetical expressions like a into a, 2 into a plus b into b. This is also an arithmetical operations. M minus 15 arithmetical operation, and b into b minus 4 into a into c. So you know what is an arithmetical operation. And arithmetical expressions contains variable, constants and arithmetical operator together to produce a meaningful result. That means variable, constant एंड ऑपरेटर को अगर हम एक कंबाइन कर दें और एक उसका एक मीनिंगफुल रिजल्ट मिल जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ अर्थमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन. ओके बेटा, नाउ व्हाट इज एन अर्थमेटिकल स्टेटमेंट? अर्थमेटिकल स्टेटमेंट. सो व्हेन एन अर्थमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन टू असाइन अ वेरिएबल, अर्थमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन को किसी वेरिएबल में असाइन कर देना, दैट इज नोन एज अर्थमेटिकल स्टेटमेंट. Okay, like x plus y is an arithmetical expression, but we write p is equal to x plus y. P is equal to x plus y. That means x plus y is an arithmetical expression assigned to another variable, assigned to second variable. That is called, this is whole statement is called a arithmetical statement. Okay, so like m is equal to x plus y, p is equal to m minus 15, n is equal to this, and d is equal to this. So arithmetical statement clear. When arithmetical expression is assigned to a variable, then it is known as an arithmetical statement. Now forms of operator, there are different forms of operator, basically defined into three different forms of operator, which is used to perform some mathematical task like unary operator, binary operator, and ternary operator. So how many different types of forms of operator? There are three forms of operator: unary operator, binary operator, and ternary operator. Okay, so there are three forms of an operator: unary operator, binary operator, and ternary operator. सो फर्स्टली व्हाट इज यूनरी. अब बेटा देखो यहाँ पे सिंपल सा मैं आपको ट्रिक बता रहा हूँ. यूनरी, यूनरी मीन्स वन, यूनिट वन. बाइनरी, बाई मीन्स टू. टर्नरी, टर्नरी means 3. That means an expression which are a single operands, which are a single operands, it is called a unary operator. An expression which have two operands, it is called a binary operator, and in which are three operands is called a ternary operator. Okay, that means जहाँ पे single operand होगा, that means single variable use होगा, that is called a unary operator. When two variable used combined with the operator like a arithmetic operator is called a binary operator. And ternary operator, three operands, three variable used, three expression used to with three operand are used with operator is called a ternary operator. Okay, now what is an unary operator? So what is an unary operator? An arithmetical operator which applied to single operand. मैंने पहले बताया क्या होता है unary operator में, एक single operand होता है, is known as unary operator, like plus, minus, plus plus, minus minus. This is called a unary operator. For how can we access? Suppose if you write a is equal to 8, then that means a is a single operand. This is assigning a value. This single operator is called a assignment operator. Single equal is called a assignment operator, which is used to assign a value, and left side assigned to right side. Right side value store in a left side. Right side value store in a left side. Okay beta. So what is an unary operator? This operator is used to before the operand. This operator is used to before the operand. It is just applied as a pointer to the variable which result the same value of the variable. Okay, that means जो value assign की गई होगी वही उस value का result हो जाएगा. Okay, so unary operator plus, similarly suppose in this example a is equal to 8, then you print plus a means 8. Plus means जब भी हम प्रोग्रामिंग में कोई चीज़ प्रिंट करते हैं तो हम प्लस ऑपरेटर के साथ असाइन करते हैं. तो यहाँ प्लस ए मीन्स अगर प्लस ए की वैल्यू हम कहें, ए की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 8. इफ़ ए इज इक्वल टू -10 देन ए इज इक्वल टू -10. सिमिलरली ए इज इक्वल टू 4, सो देन माइनस ए इज इक्वल टू -4. प्लस 0 माइनस ए इज इक्वल टू 0. 0 की पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव नहीं होता आपका. ठीक है, तो यूनरी ऑपरेटर क्लियर है. सिंगल ऑपरेंड यूज्ड and applied in a operator is called a unary operator. Next one is, there are two types of unary basically classified in a operator. One is prefix operator and one is postfix operator. Prefix and postfix. So in increment and decrement unary operators में increment means increase by 1, decrement means decrease by 1. तो unary of increment operator plus plus, which is write be plus plus, that means increment operator, and if we write minus minus, that means decrement operator. So increase the value of an operand by 1. Suppose if you write a is equal to 10 and a plus plus, that means a plus plus means a की वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा आपका 11, बिकॉज असाइन कितना था, a की वैल्यू 10 असाइन था. आपने a प्लस प्लस, दैट मीन्स ऑपरेंड की वैल्यू जब प्लस प्लस कर दिया, दैट मीन्स 1 आप क्या करोगे, इंक्रीज कर लोगे. सपोज इफ वी राइट a इज इक्वल टू माइनस माइनस, दैट मीन्स 1 क्या हो जाएगा, a की वैल्यू डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड अ इंक्रीमेंट एंड डिक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर. So in this topic we will discuss about, there are two types of increment and decrement operator: prefix and postfix. Prefix, that means first increases then access the operand. Postfix means first access the operand, then increases or decreases the value. Okay, suppose if the example, if we write x is equal to x plus 1. Okay, firstly definition अगर आप चेक करना है तो चेक कर सकते हैं. Unary increment operator increases the value of an operand by 1, and unary decrement operator decreases the value of an operand by 1. Okay, increment operator increases the value of an operand by 1, and decrement operator decreases the value of an operand by 1. Okay, so x is equal to x plus 1. In this statement, by applying the increment operator x प्लस प्लस और प्लस प्लस एक्स, तो हम इसको दो तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. x इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस 1 का भी मतलब कितना हो गया, ऑपरेंड कितना इंक्रीज कर रहा है 1. तो इसी एक्सप्रेशन को अगर मैं इन दो तरीक़ों से चाहे x प्लस प्लस या प्लस प्लस एक्स के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. अगर मैंने x प्लस प्लस लिखा दैट मीन्स पोस्ट फिक्स, एंड अगर मैंने पहले ही इंक्रीमेंट लगा दिया दैट मीन्स प्रीफिक्स. ऐसे ही सिमिलरली आपका माइनस पी माइनस 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 पी, पी माइनस माइनस पोस्ट मीन्स बाद में ऑपरेटर लगा हुआ है पोस्ट फिक्स, माइनस माइनस पहले लिखा हुआ प्री दैट मीन्स प्रीफिक्स. सो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ इंक्रीमेंट और डिक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर बेसिकली क्लासिफाइड, प्रीफिक्स इंक्रीमेंट डिक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर एंड पोस्ट फिक्स इंक्रीमेंट एंड डिक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर. ओके बेटा, आई थिंक क्लियर इन दिस टॉपिक.